RPA Use Cases Part 1. It takes years to build a trustworthy relationship with the customer, but just a few seconds to break it. Good customer service is vital to ensure that the trust is not broken. Now, handling customers, especially in an industry like bank and insurance, can be an enormous task. It demands a quick analysis and resolution of the problem. A single lapse can spiral the problem beyond repair. This is where RPA comes to rescue. RPA categorizes the complaints under different headers. This segregation makes it easier for the customer service to resolve the queries faster. Sometimes RPA automatically sends responses for a set type of queries, thus minimizing the efforts of the customer care team. With a negligible error rate in its working, it is a win-win situation for customers as well as the company. Generally, a company deals with multiple vendors at a time while purchasing a product. Before selecting a vendor, the company analyses and compares different prices before settling on the best one. They need to make sure that the product they get is of good quality and is priced at a competitive rate. Researching on these parameters can be a cumbersome task because the prices fluctuate and new products are added to the market frequently. It can take days or even months to analyze the data manually. However, with RPA software, companies can analyze and gather information about the different sellers within hours, enabling the buyer to take a quick and informed decision. Onboarding a supplier involves gathering their information, entering their details such as account number, address, tax details, etc. in the system. It starts getting cumbersome when the company grows and the supplier list increases. However, this can be resolved with the help of RPA. It helps in validating the supplier details on the basis of their credit scores and tax data and onboard them if the information meets the criteria set by the company. The Human Resource Department deals with the large volume of employee data every day. From employee background details to reimbursements and payroll, everything is managed by the HR. Employees often complain about the lackadaisical approach of the HR towards their problems. Thus, it is imperative to take help of RPA to ease the burden of the HR department and help them focus on strategic tasks such as reskilling the existing workforce, reinventing the work culture, and so on. RPA can take care of the daily operations such as guiding the employees through the process of logging their leaves in the system, providing updates on their reimbursement status, basic HR-related queries, and so on. A company's reputation is determined by the way it engages with its customers. Some of the best brands have a reputation for processing refunds to dissatisfied customers within a few days. This helps in winning the customer's trust despite the bad experience. Giving refunds can be an exhaustive process. Sometimes the complaint gets missed in the sheer volume of data, which can cause delay and further lead to customer dissatisfaction. RPA can help in collecting information from disparate systems and store it in a centralized hub. This will help in streamlining the process and validating and processing the refund at a faster pace.